Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix can't unpin or remove program icons from Windows 10 taskbar. Right-click New, Text Document. Copy text from description and paste it. Click File, Save As. Select all files. Type any file name with bat. Click Save. Right-click, click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. All icons are removed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.